Good morning, children. In the given figure, Rp equal to Rq and M and N are respectively points on the sides QR and PR of triangle PQR such that QM equal to PN. Prove that OP equal to OQ, where O is the point of intersection of PM and a QN. So, what is given in the figure? Rp equal to RQ, M and N on the points on the sides. Then what is the next step? QM equal to PN. QM equal to PN only. Next, prove that OP equal to OQ. So OP and OQ are equal. We should prove. That means we should take a triangle. OP should come. So OPQ or OP and OQ. That means we should go for the triangle MPQ and NQP. Like that we have to go. Let us see that how it is possible. Now what is given in the question? RP equal to RQ. Also NP equal to MQ. To prove OP equal to OQ. Now proof. Already given that RP and RQ are equal in triangle PQR. So RP equal to RQ implies RP, which is the opposite angle, angle Q. That means RQP. Similarly, for RQ, which is the opposite angle P, that means angle RPQ. So we can go for this triangle only because OP and OQ we should get it. So this is same as RPQ is same as NPQ. Similarly, RQP, that is same as MQP. So equation number 1. Now we need OP and OQ only. So OP will not get it because we don't have any angles or side here. So we'll go for MPQ. The triangle MPQ and the triangle NQP. So in triangle NPQ and triangle MPQ or MPQ, what is equal side already? Already given that NP and MQ are equal. Given. Now we have proved that MQP equal to angle NPQ because triangle NPQ is written first. So we should write this angle first. Angle NPQ equal to angle MQP, proved in 1. Now just to see in one triangle what we have written. NP we have written, angle NPQ we have written. So one side and one angle we got. So that is the second side. PQ we can take PQ equal to PQ common. PQ is coming in MPQ also, right? Therefore, triangle. What is the order? For P it is Q only. So I'll write the first triangle is NPQ only. NPQ, what is the order? For a P it is Q. That means second letter it is Q. So for Q it is P. So for N it is M. So congruent. What is the criteria? SAS. So now we need OP and OQ are equal. So OP, which is the opposite side, opposite angle NQP. See, if these two angles are equal, then we can get a OP and OQ will get there. So we will write here angle NQP equal to angle MPQ CPCT. Right? So NQP is equal, angle NQP means it is OQP only. Right? If it is OQP is equal, which is the opposite side OP, and similarly angle MPQ can be written as OPQ, so which is the opposite side OQ. So this is same as, that is angle OQP equal to angle OPQ, implies OQP means, angle OQP means this opposite side is OP. Next, OPQ means which is opposite side OQ. Side opposite to equal angles. So we got OP and OQ. That is the result we need to prove OP and OQ. So we got here OP equal to OQ. What is the conclusion we should make? Hence proved. Two sides AB, B and BC, median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ, QR and median PN of triangle PQR. Show that the triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. And also we have to show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Actually diagram is not given, so we can draw the diagram, and moreover it is a textbook question and it is a very good question only. I think board paper it is already asked, so we can go through the diagram. Just we have to draw the two triangles first. Let it be like this, and AB, BC are the two sides. So first side and the second side. Next, median AM are equal to PQ and QR. So PQ is the first equal side from the second triangle, and QR is the second equal side from the second side of the second triangle. Next, which is the median name given? Median is a PN only. So I think now you got the idea of the question. Two triangles are given. The first side AB equal to PQ of the second triangle, BC equal to QR of the second triangle, and also the third one they had given as AM is equal to PN of the second triangle. Now we should prove that triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. These questions we have already solved in the previous videos, that is based on the chapter triangles for class 9. Right? Now it is a revision only. Again we are doing, because I felt that this is this is also one of the important questions. So ABM and PQN are, we have to prove the congruency, means we have two equal sides, but we need this included angle. So there is no information regarding this. Right? It is given that AM is the median only, nothing else is given. So we cannot prove directly triangle ABM congruent to triangle, which one? Triangle PQN. And moreover, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR is the second one. There also we got two sides only. There also we need one more included angle. So how to start this one means, first we will write what is given in the question. What is given? Given that AB equal to PQ. Right? Next, BC equal to QR. The third side is the median only. AM equal to PN. To prove two criteria we must prove. So there is only, we are having equal sides, no angle is given. So how to proceed? Let us see. First we will write the proving part. Triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. That is the first criteria. Second one, we must prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Now proof. already given that BC and QR are equal. So median property is there. So what we'll use, half of BC is also equal to half of QR. Right? So what is the meaning of the half of BC and half of QR from the diagram? It is equal to BM and QN are equal. Because M is the midpoint for this one, BM equal to CM. And similarly here N is the midpoint of QR, that means QN equal to NR. So we need triangle ABM only, right? And congruent to triangle PQM we need to prove. So in that we required which side? BM. So that is why we have written here BM, and similarly from here QN, right? So we got that BM and QN are equal. We'll make it equation number 1. Now the first criteria we will prove now. In triangle ABM and a triangle PQN, AB equal to PQ given, BM equal to QN proved in 1, next AM equal to PN, that is also given. So just to see the triangle ABM, first side, second side and third side. So all the 3 sides we got here. So what we can write, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN by SSS criteria. Now by this what is the result? We can write angle ABM equal to angle PQN CPCT. It is same as angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Equation number 2. That means ABM means up to here we have extended BM to C only, that's all. So it became BC. Similarly QN we extended to R, so it is QR, right? So we got here angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Now we can go for the second criteria, that is we should prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. For that what are the equal sides we are having? Already we have AB equal to PQ and BC equal to QR. Both are given. Now 2 sides we got. Now what is that? Either one more side we should get, that is AC only, AC and PR. That is, there is no chance, there is no information regarding that. So we need this included angle, that is angle B and angle Q. So here we have written angle ABC and angle PQR are equal. So we'll write here angle ABC equal to angle PQR proved in 2. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Criteria is what? This time it is SAS because included angle it is. So we got the congruency for ABC and triangle PQR, hence proved. In the given figure, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC and D and E are the 2 points on the BC such that BE and CD are equal. Show that AD equal to AE. So diagram is given. Already we have marked one equal side AB and AC, and D and E are on same side where BE equal to CD is given. Show that AD and AE are equal. So AD and AE are equal means AD and AE are one of the sides. In that way we should choose the triangle ABD and triangle AEC, right? So when we are taking triangle ABD and triangle AEC, we have only the 2 equal sides are there, that is one is AB and another one is AC. So when AB and AC are equal, the opposite angles are also equal. AB, which is the opposite angle, angle C, and for AC, angle B is the opposite angle. So when we, if possible to get this BD in triangle ABD equal to EC of triangle AEC, then we can get a SAS criteria, right? So how to prove that one? So first we will write what is given in the question and what is to be proved, and then we can go for the proof. What is given? AB equal to AC. Also BE equal to CD. To prove AD equal to AE. Proof now. So we already told that we should get the triangle ABD be congruent to triangle AEC, right? So for that we must get BD and EC are equal. So for that, what is the one more criteria? It is given BE equal to CD only. So BE and CD, what we can write from the diagram? BE can be written as BD plus D, and CD can be written as CE plus D. So both side D is equal, so we can cancel. So what is the result of this one? BD equal to CE, equation number 1. Now in triangle ABD and triangle AEC, AB equal to AC. Angle B equal to angle C. So what is the reason here we will write? Here we can write that it is given, but here angle opposite to equal side. Now what is the next criteria to be written? BD equal to C. That we have proved in 1. So we got side and the angle and one more side, but the angle is included, right? So AB we got, BD we got, angle B we got. So what we can write? Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACE. For B, the angle is C only. Next, for BC means for A, it is A only, right? So we got here ABD congruent to triangle AC. What is the criteria? We already told here, SAS, right? Now what is the result of this one? ABD equal to CE. CPCT. Hence, proved. So here B and CD are equal given. So diagram we have used and we have written that for B, BD plus D, and next CE plus D. So equals cancelled here. Equal is which line segment? D only. The remaining side is BD and CE are equal. Equation number 1. Now triangle ABD and triangle AEC, we are having two sides and one angle. The angle is included angle only. So by SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore BD and CE are equal by CPCT. Hence we have proved here. With this, today's class I am winding up. Practice more, because congruency children will get more doubt. Don't leave the questions. Each questions you must practice. Thank you.